CCNA Security Real-World Labs, Virtual Private Networks, IPsec Site-to-Site VPN. In this lecture, I want to go through a site-to-site VPN between two CISCO routers. I'll show you how you can approach a problem like that in the real world, how we work with site-to-site VPNs. Of course, this is CCNA Security Real-World Labs, Network Security Real-World Labs. Again, I assume you know what IPsec is all about, what is IK Phase 1, IK Phase 2. Of course, I will go through all these things anyway. Still, I appreciate you understand all these things. You can see the topology on the screen now. We've got two routers, router 1 and router 2, and we have two LANs, local area networks. Behind router 1 there is 10770, and behind router 2 there is 192.168.2.0. And actually this guy here, it is a laptop, that is .2, and here I created a loopback interface to keep it simple. In the real world, you do not really type anything for a site-to-site VPN. Well, not anything, but you do not type all commands. What we use templates. That's what I prepared for you. I've been using this template for a while. This is a really simple, basic site-to-site VPN. If you want to implement a site-to-site VPN in the real world, there is a chance you want to use some additional solutions like key rings and profiles, things like that. To start with IPsec and show you later on how to troubleshoot that as well, I want to keep it as simple as possible. It makes sense to do it that way. Okay, let's see what I am on router 2. And yes, that is console, that's fine. Let's check the topology again. Okay, I am on router 2. I should see F01 and F00. That is our public IP address. Show CDP neighbor. Okay. Detail. Good. I can see 1111. I'm pretty sure I will be able to ping it. Cool. Show IP interface brief to verify our LAN. Cool. And I should be able to telnet to the other router. Yes, cool. Okay. And there is nothing else on these routers. I'll just show you show run. Yeah, nothing. Now it's time to check our templates. IK Phase 1, IK Phase 2, crypto map, interesting traffic, and we apply our crypto map. That's the easiest way to play with VPNs, to keep it really simple. No key rings, no profiles, nothing. A really basic site-to-site VPN. We have to verify that is router 2. Okay. Okay. I would like to start on router 1 then. Let's verify router 1. Peer IP address. Yep, looks good. It makes sense to copy and paste 5 lines. Make sure that your router is happy and does not complain about anything. Please note I decided to use 3 DES and here AES. Why? Well, just for fun. That's that's the only explanation. If you have a lab at home, you have to check. Some really old Cisco devices will not support AES, right? You have to check that and make sure that you have a correct image. Some routers will require a crypto image, and there are no VPNs on some iOS, so be careful with that. F00, is it correct? Yep, it is. On that guy. Good. Okay. Let's copy and paste on router 2. Of course, I will share that template with you. You can recreate that in GNS3 packet tracer, or you can use a lab if you have one. That should be okay. I can paste everything. Ooh, that's what I said. Never do that. Okay, let's do it again. In the real world, that could be dangerous. Maybe, there is a small chance you're going to enable something that is not finished and can cause some problems. That's why it makes sense to copy and paste a few lines only. That's it. Show crypto ISA campus say. There is nothing. Why? Well, that's a crypto map. It means that we have to ping, we have to do something to make it work, right? There is no traffic going through this router at the moment from this LAN to that LAN. That's why this VPN is not going to, it's not up. Yep. I am on this laptop. Let me open the CMD then. I am here, and I will ping this loopback interface. Ping 192.168.2. Was it .2? Ooh. Let's try again. Was it .2? Show IP interface brief. .1. Not a good sign, to be honest. Show crypto ISA campus say. We cannot see IKE phase 1. Let me telnet to the other guy. It might be a routing issue. I have to check if there is a default route. Show IP route. Ah, yeah. That's the reason. No routing, no fun. IP route. This router says I don't know how to route that traffic. F00. What about now? Come on. Come on. One more. One more. One more. Right. Show crypto ISA campus, eh? Ooh. IKE phase 1 is down. Well, yeah, I said we should use templates, and it's not a good sign. Source and destination. Ooh. Did I paste that? Ooh. 1111. There's some IPS on it, which is not a good thing. There was the old VPN on it. Right, we'll have to fix it. Okay, real world labs, right? That was my mistake. I should have checked that. Okay, this guy. No. How to make sure I will remove the... So it's 1111. I don't need that guy. Right? There we go. Don't like this IPS, but that should be okay. On our crypto map. No. This guy. Let me do show access list to verify the access list, which is VPN. Is it just me being blind, or I can't see that? Show run include. Oh, that's 101. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that should be okay. Okay, let's try now. Ah, here we go. We fixed it. Show crypto ISA yes, QM idle. Show crypto IP sec good. No, that's not the one. So I should see some encrypted and decrypted packets. Very good. I should see AES and SHA. Good. That's okay. It's not a CISCO router, it's Windows. I like to ping the other side 100 times, make sure it's stable. I will show you one more thing that you should do when you create a side-to-side VPN in a moment. IPsec show crypto IPsec looks good. Cool. Okay, there is one more thing that I like to do. There is a chance there is asymmetric routing somewhere. I can give you the following advice. ICMP is not enough. Firewalls will allow ICMP in most companies. If there is an asymmetric issue in your company, there is a chance ICMP is going to work without any problems. I have seen that many times, not many times, but I have seen that 2 or 3 times. ICMP was fine, and I said, yeah, this side-to-side VPN is up, yeah, go away. And then the following day, an infrastructure engineer told me, well, listen mate, I can't RDP to that server. I said, well, what do you mean? It was up, and that was an asymmetric routing issue. Firewalls don't like that. That's why what I like to do, I like to telnet to 192.168.2.1 on port 80. I know it's not going to work, it doesn't matter, I can see this session, right? I know that TCP is working. In this video we talked about IPsec, side-to-side VPNs, and we even troubleshooted an issue related to, well, I forgot to check that there was an old VPN configuration on that router. We fixed that, we were able to ping through the tunnel. Thank you very much.